For my next video, I'd like to do one on the application for the Samsung called Good Lock, and inside that there's a sub application called Quickstar. Okay, so I want to do a video on that. I've covered a lot of these in the past. Home Up, Notice Star, and Touch Edge, but I want to go over the Quickstar because it's really got a lot of neat things in it. So first off, as I've explained before, I'm on the Samsung S25 Ultra. This will work on any Samsung device that has the Good Lock installed. And you install Good Lock through the Galaxy Store app. Okay, so we'll go right in here. So go to Good Lock, and of course turn it on. And then let's go through each one of these. There's not a lot, but I want to go through them because there's some pretty powerful ones here. So style your own quick panel. So I can have my own quick panel in whatever style I want. I can tap on my themes to make them different. I'm not going to change this because I like the way mine's set, and then you have to go back and redo it. But you can do all kinds of different things on your quick panel. Okay, so then the next one is visibility of indicator icons. So you can turn these on or off. Okay, so for example, in the, let's see here, let's pick one. Wi-Fi. Show Wi-Fi on icon if you connect wireless access point. So if you look in the upper right corner, you can see my fan, and it's connected to Wi-Fi 5. If I tap that, it turns it off. It doesn't turn the Wi-Fi off, it just turns the notification off. So if you don't want to see a lot of these, this is powerful enough to turn them all off if you want. So battery icon, I can turn it on and off. Bluetooth, I can turn it on and off. Data saver, location, modes, goes through a lot of different ones. So you can turn a lot on and off. Home screen, show network information on idle. Lock screen, show network information on the key guard. Expand panel, show network info when the panel is expanded. So it's a lot of different options, okay? All pretty self-explanatory. So next one is clock settings. So we can do all different, there's already a couple apps in this, Good Lock. Couldn't think there for a second. That does this, but this one is doing it in a different way. So a lot of apps in Good Lock will allow you to work with the clock. This one is doing some different things. So show date, so I turn the date off or turn it on. Show AM PM, I'm on military time, so I can change it to that or go back to military time, I hope. Use 24-hour format will be turned off. Okay, so I have to see. Now there's one I shouldn't have turned off because now I have to go back and set it to military time, but that's okay. Position and visibility, left, hide, or right. So I can hide it all together, left, right. So you can change the location. So there's clock settings. Apply color palette to more notification icons. Color palette applies to more notification icons on the quick panel. It may not apply to some icons. This was a good one. Change quick setting button grid. You can adjust the quick setting button grid spacing. So right now I have it to narrow. So I have it to about a 4x4. And if I go all the way narrow, I can get a 5x4. If I go all the way wide, I get a 2x4. Yeah, that's a good one, 2x4. So I like to go all the way over and skip one. So I like my 4x4. So that's kind of a neat way to set that. Auto separate, adjust separated panel ratio. So in other words, on this one, the notification 70% on the left side. So anywhere between 70%, you're going to get your notifications. 30% is your quick settings on the right side. So 30% over gives you your quick settings. So here I'm about 50% right now, and I'm going to get notifications. So you can change that all the way from 10 to whatever. So I'll keep it set to my 30. There we go. And then, as you can see, I hope this shows up. You can see at the top where they're at, where that's the 50%. And then there's my 30%. And you see the two colors at the very top. I hope that's coming through on my screen capture. So that's kind of neat. So you can see where to pull down to get to your quick settings or your notifications. Okay, so that is my video on the plugin for Good Lock, and it's called Quickstar. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.